Hey guys, today we're going to change the alternator on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country with the 4.0 V6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is just pop this cover off. So just lift and it'll pop right out of the little sockets that it sits in. Next we're going to unhook our battery. Takes a 10mm socket here for both the positive and negative. Once you get them loosened, you can wiggle and lift and they'll pop off like that. It's a good chance your battery is dead here, so I got this charger on Amazon. I'll have a link to that down in the description below, as well as an alternator. Now we're going to unhook this clip right here. So you pull up on this little slide clip right there and then pinch right here and wiggle and lift. Then we're going to unhook this cable right here, pinch these two tabs and lift. Now we're going to loosen and remove this 13mm nut right here. Now you can unhook that. Now we need to get our belt tension undone here. Alright, we're looking right down here at the belt tensioner right here. So you're going to put a 15mm socket on this bolt right there on the tensioner, and then you're going to pull back this way and that'll loosen it, and you can slip the belt over the alternator pulley right here. If you're worried about being able to reroute your belt, here's a little trick for you. Keep tension on it when you pull it off from the pulley, and then get yourself a bungee cord here and just keep it held up with the bungee cord, and that keeps tension on it and keeps it routed like it should be. Last thing we need to do before we remove the alternator is take out this 15mm bolt and this 15mm bolt. Now to get this out, you can either pull it back this way and wiggle it and twist it out, or you can stick a screwdriver or something like I've got in here and just kind of pry and lift like that. And you should be able to wiggle it out. There we go. Alternator is out. Okay, I've got a new alternator link down in the description below. But at this point, you just install it in reverse order and put everything back together the way it came apart. Reconnect your battery and you're done. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.